You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Yeah. Murico era Maoria. Maoria, Murico era Oko. Murico era Maoria. Celsius. Give us one more tune. And the God's okay. Are you ready for Celsius? One more tune from Celsius. Celsius. And the Toga Tinsway. Baba, big up kuna chippers ndiye arikuita kuti zvifaye and ndaona Pauline ari momuno sando dzako Pauline right vasingandizive ndinonzi Mofu aka Paul Simple, you know, from Zimbabwe Entertainment. Big up Celsius all the way from Norton. Ras Caleb ndanzoti ari pano ndamupodza zvangu, but anyway sando kuna Ras Caleb zvikiriviri zvangu Ras Caleb we are on freestyle. Ras Caleb for Zim Entertainment. Deep Vega freestyle for Zim Entertainment. Ras Caleb, are you ready for Ras Caleb?
We're ready.
I see Pauline Dakuona Oripana Pafuti. Ukatipoka na freestyle, you know, I would love that. You know, one love to you. Ndukuona. Yeah. Ras Caleb, are you ready? Right. Big up Asekuru Entertainment, big up Asekuru, Eudapara, big up on yourself. Well, I'm saying Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Yeah, normally I don't want to get back on the stage twice, but because Paul Simple is here, Zim Entertainment is here. Kerema feeling me, run the track, the DJ. Hit at it in there. You know this song? Hit at it in there. Papa Natalia, we told Sibe. Chest but not same Chris but on a level. Rascal it, oh, my baby. You know the song? Killing me, feeling me, healing me. And the shy got dance, oh, my baby. You know the song? No more party, no more honey. Silent honey, I am for honey. Oh, no more party, no more honey. My baby boy, my dance on the basco, but she doesn't know. No, so she's on the floor. Oh, my baby, my baby. All over body. I have to sing for you. Can I sing for Pauline? Can I sing for Pauline? Can I sing for Pauline? Serious? Really? Alright. Girl, you got the thing, girl. Gonna change and look, girl. You got the thing, girl. Gonna change and look, Pauline we are pano. Aiwa, I'm gonna go teaser. Zoka pano. Una mofela. Ini nino ito mofelo. Lina. Vanonzi amai sky. Magadi enya amai sky.
Aiwa, tinofara.
Munowaziva amai sky. Chimbotipaika ka acapella. Something old school. mafreak. Munowaziva rounds mafreaky. Vanopenga so. Vavaimba na Discord. Right? Get ready for this exclusive Zimbabwe entertainment. Amai Sky Tipeo a cappella.
Ipo paya pawa candida, daifunga kuti uchandiramba, negotira ndinaro, rino itakunge rine mubato, nerundako vaka, umungo ndina ndagadaro, desaka nijiziva kuti, nega kupiwa nangwari, 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 nangwari. Nagagupiwa nangwari, 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 nangwari. Dinana di hiemberanziyo, ruyoro noga momoyo, uchende uza mashoko, amande baya pamoyo, kana uja taura chokwani.
Zogai, Amai Sky, we are pano. We are dependent on Matanga. Amai Sky vaga varisa inonzi Zion Tax Rhythm. Pana no inonzi Zion Tax Rhythm ere pana pa. Magari ndo ere inonzi Zion Tax. Rina Celsius, Rina Amai Sky. And then that's it from me, Mofela, Zimbabwe Entertainment. We have CDs here for Celsius. Dollar, Dombi. We are doing in the camera. I report my CDs. But right now, Dina Amai Sky. Ndovani is right. Acapella.
Hapana moshansi na wawa kizani, pose mudatine tane, moyo yenyu haingare, inofara kose pato taza, tingame shanje herezo kugara, iwe usafare nenile wangu, rungame rodo hedera kutora, iwe usafare nenile wangu, tada chizereze. Tada chizele hamunyar, yebra kusekera moy hamufar, munoti daiva sina urugare, barabana museka munyare, kante utewo, chikonzibo, shiri agapiwa mapapiro, hanziva kakutuka, sumuka pururuka, kuini wetoka ndomanya, doya de pinko, siya wataure ya mambure miro moaizari minerizi, siya wataure muno wangaroa, aparari nemazwi. Blessed, representing from Africa.
This is Big Mike. Power simple. Choose the old Big Mike one Big
Mike ndo vano driver bima inoita kuti mukomana we asvike kumashow. Kana ndichiti mukomana we ndikutaura mukomana we voice. Okay. Aiwa, iyo chidzima engine.
Engine ndadzima.
Adzima engine.
Aiwa, engine ngodzima silent. Ndozvika pakumuka manje.
Start engine. Iyo chidzima.
Engine ngodzima silent. Ndadzima.
Ndodzima sei.
Ndauto para. Ayo titi atisoteka manje.
160.
The Big Mike is short as he is.
Mike. But anyway, same way still, asekuru ndiwo ari panyanga. Vakunibata bhondi pano, anzi vanozibadandaro.
Pamushapa ningi pachipas.
Ma Warriors, uyu ndiye anonzi Jeff Hardy.
DJ.
Inzwa. Celsius na Monas.
Asi hatikondi, hatizimondi, tafia madema nyenge wakagara, wakaita kunge mazombi, basi panuone, sakazwa kwa zilipo, licha jisia zilipo, ajengaramu waroma
have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.